Automakers usually refresh a model about halfway through the generation's intended run, updating both the car's looks and what it's packing underneath. Mercedes-Benz is now looking to its slightly smaller sibling, the E-Class. This mid-cycle refresh is pretty thorough, even in terms of aesthetics alone. The new front fascia features headlights that are slimmer with sleeker full LEDs, standard on all trims, and a new grille that slopes downward. The E53 model gets a more upright vertical grille than on the previous model that brings its look a little closer to its equivalent SUV, the GLE. Out back, the taillights bear a closer resemblance to the new A-Class or CLS. As usual, there are new wheel designs and paint colors on offer. The new all-terrain takes advantage of some of these changes too. However, its lower grilles are smaller and have a sort of faux skid plate design integrated at the front and back. It keeps all the distinct black plastic body cladding to give it the crossover look that it's had since it was introduced to Europe a few years ago. It comes with standard all-wheel drive, air suspension, off-road driving modes, and hill descent control. The inside doesn't change its looks much, but there are some new combinations on offer that mix beige and two different grays. New trim finishers are available too, and there is a wild new steering wheel design with capacitive sensors that can determine when a driver's hand have left the wheel. The blades that stretch out from either side of the wheel's central hub are pretty interesting, and that's just one of the new designs offered on different trims. The real deal in the interior's upgrade lie behind the pair of 12.3-inch screens on the dashboard. The E-Class finally picks up MBUX, the latest iteration of Mercedes' infotainment system. It really ramps up its capabilities with a natural language voice recognition system, multiple gauge layouts, optional augmented reality navigation, and a whole bunch more. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard as well. On the safety front, the 2021 E-Class comes standard with automatic emergency braking. Optional upgrades add active blind spot monitoring, full-speed adaptive cruise control with stop-and-go capabilities, traffic sign recognition, and the surround view camera system with active parking assist. The E-Class sedan can be purchased with one of three different powertrains. The E350 uses a 2.0-liter turbo inline-4, making 255 horsepower and 273 pound-feet of torque, and it's available in either rear-wheel or all-wheel drive. The E450's 3.0-liter turbo inline-6 makes 362 horsepower and 369 pound-feet of torque, and that's before the EQ Boost Mile hybrid electric motor kicks in. And then there is the E350e, which introduces a plug-in hybrid powertrain to the US. The sedan will use the turbo 2.0-liter four-cylinder, but will be coupled with a 90-kilowatt electric motor to make a combined of 315 horsepower and a massive 516 pound-feet of torque. The sedan will only be offered with rear-wheel drive, with the engine and motor sending power through the 9-speed automatic transmission. Fuel economy and range for this powertrain, along with others, has yet to be announced. If a traditional sedan isn't your favorite body style in the world, don't worry. The E-Class All-Terrain replaces the E-Class wagon in the US starting in 2021. Although it's basically just a lifted wagon with some additional cladding, think of it as the equivalent of a Volvo V60 or a V60 cross-country. All E-Class sedan variants are expected to arrive at the US dealers by the end of 2020, and pricing will be announced closer to its on-sale date. So, what do you think of this all-new E-Class? Let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on notifications for the latest car reviews and news. Take care, and see you in the next one.